Look at Austin's holding a nebulizer. I don't even have to do anything. Good job, bud. Is that yummy? Is that yummy? Huh? Is that good? You're gonna get all better again, huh? Yeah? You like that, huh? Oh, put it back in. Good job. Put it back in your mouth. Say bye-bye. Put it back in your mouth. Okay, I'll help you. Bye.